Hey guys, it's me from a fitness website, and today I'm going to show you 8 low-calorie air fryer recipes that will put fat loss on easy mode. Now, these recipes are not only delicious and satisfying, but also very easy to make with minimal ingredients. You can enjoy these recipes for breakfast, lunch, or dinner without feeling like you're on a diet. So, let's get started. The first recipe is a must-try if you're looking for an air fryer breakfast that's both tasty and nutritious. Start by slicing up one whole wheat English muffin into 2 halves. Then spread a thin layer of almond butter on top. This provides a good source of protein and healthy fats while keeping the calories in check. To add some sweetness and flavor, sprinkle cinnamon and nutmeg on top of the almond butter. You can adjust the amount of spices to your preference. I like to use about 1–2 teaspoons of each. Then place a single egg on top of the spices and cook it in the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. For best results, make sure not to overbeat the eggs. Just crack them open and let them fall into the air fryer basket. To make this recipe even more filling, you can serve it with a side of Greek yogurt. The combination of almond butter, egg, and Greek yogurt makes this sandwich a great source of protein, healthy fats, and calcium. Plus, the added fiber from the English muffin helps to keep you full and satisfied. If you find this recipe helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. Next up is a super simple air fryer salmon recipe that requires just 2 ingredients. Start by removing the skin from 1 pound of salmon and cut it into small pieces. This not only makes the salmon easier to eat, but also helps it cook more quickly in the air fryer. Place the salmon pieces in the air fryer basket and drizzle them with olive oil. Be sure to toss the salmon occasionally during cooking to ensure even cooking. Cook the salmon at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's done to your liking. If you prefer your salmon medium rare, start checking for doneness at the 7-minute mark. Season the cooked salmon with salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. Salmon is a great source of protein and healthy fats, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. Additionally, salmon is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D and B12, selenium, and potassium. These nutrients play important roles in maintaining good health and preventing disease. Including salmon in your diet can help support healthy skin, strong bones, and a healthy immune system. Another delicious and easy air fryer recipe is chicken wings. Start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, toss your chicken wings with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1.2 teaspoons of salt. Be sure to coat the wings evenly in the oil and seasoning. Place the wings in the air fryer basket in a single layer and cook them for 20 to 25 minutes. To get crispy skin, toss the wings halfway through cooking. If you want extra crispy wings, you can cook them for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. You can serve your chicken wings with a side of ranch dressing or blue cheese dressing. For a healthier option, try serving them with a homemade yogurt-based dipping sauce. The protein and healthy fats in chicken wings make them a great choice for those looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D and B6, selenium, and potassium. Up next is a vegetarian air fryer recipe that's perfect for those who want to reduce their calorie intake. Start by slicing 1 sweet potato into fries and place them in the air fryer basket. Toss the fries with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1.4 teaspoons of pepper. Cook the fries at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, tossing them halfway through cooking. You can also add other vegetables to the air fryer basket, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, or cauliflower. Just be sure to cut them into similar-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Sweet potato fries are a delicious and nutritious snack or side dish that can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet. They're a great alternative to traditional French fries, which are often high in calories and unhealthy fats. Sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber, vitamin A and C, and potassium, making them a nutritious and filling option. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more great air fryer recipes. This next recipe is another delicious way to prepare chicken breasts in the air fryer. Start by slicing one large chicken breast into smaller pieces. This will help the chicken cook more quickly and evenly in the air fryer. Place the chicken pieces in the air fryer basket and toss them with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cook the chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until it's done to your liking. To make this recipe even more flavorful, you can add a few tablespoons of salsa or your favorite hot sauce to the cooked chicken. Chicken is a great source of protein, and its high levels of niacin and selenium help improve muscle tone and strengthen your immune system. The lean protein content in chicken also helps increase satiety, which can lead to reduced calorie intake and weight loss. The next recipe is a crowd favorite, shrimp scampi. Start by adding 1 pound of shrimp to the air fryer basket. Then toss the shrimp with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook the shrimp at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until it's pink and opaque. For a richer flavor, you can add 1/4 cup of butter to the cooked shrimp along with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley. Toss everything together and serve immediately. Shrimp is a great source of protein and healthy fats, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. It's also low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied while consuming fewer calories. Next up is another air fryer breakfast recipe that's quick and easy to make. Start by slicing 1 avocado in half and removing the pit. Then scoop out the flesh of the avocado into a bowl and mash it with a fork. Add in 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of salsa, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and then fill the empty avocado shells with the mixture. Place the stuffed avocado halves in the air fryer basket and cook them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. This recipe is a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making it a filling and nutritious breakfast option. It's also versatile and can be customized to your liking. And last but not least, we have a delicious and satisfying air fryer dessert. Start by slicing 1 apple into wedges and placing the slices in the air fryer basket. Drizzle the apple slices with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Then toss the apples with 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Cook the apples at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. You can serve the baked apples warm with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a scoop of ice cream. For a healthier option, try topping your baked apples with chopped nuts or seeds for added texture and nutrients. Baked apples are a delicious and nutritious dessert option that can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet. Apples are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, making them a healthy and satisfying snack or dessert. So there you have it. 8 low-calorie air fryer recipes that are perfect for anyone looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. These recipes are not only delicious and satisfying, but also very easy to make with minimal ingredients. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. Thanks again, and see you next time.